To install MySQL Server and Workbench, just open your favorite browser and search for MySQL download. Then click on first search result. You will land on this page, mysql.com/download. Now scroll down a little and click on MySQL Community Download. This will take you to MySQL Community Download page. Here you can see lots of different components to download, but we only need to download MySQL installer for Windows. So click on it. By default, this will select the latest version of MySQL and our Windows operating system. Now click on download to download the MySQL MSI file. It may ask you to log in or sign up. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. Then download will start. After a few minutes, the download will be complete. Now locate the installer file by clicking on the folder icon here. A new window will open. Here select full to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench along with other MySQL components. Then click on next. Here you will get an overview of MySQL components that will be installed. Now click on execute and those components will start installing one by one. Please wait a while. Once the installation is complete, click on next. Here those components are ready to be configured. So click on next. Make sure you select development computer as the configuration type and keep other settings unchanged. Then click on next. Next, select password encryption for authentication. Then click on next. Set a strong password, then click on next. Keep everything as default. Then click on next. The setup will show that your server files will be saved in the specified path. Choose the full access grant for it. Then click on next. Click on the execute to apply the configuration. Now click on finish. Click next again, then finish. And once more, click next. In this window, you can check your MySQL server running status by providing the password here. Click next again. To apply those configurations, click on execute again. After that, click on finish. Click next again, then click finish. Now one more task remains to properly configure the MySQL server. Open your file explorer. Then navigate to the C drive, then program files, then MySQL server, then bin. Copy this file path from here. Close the file explorer and search for environment variables. Click on environment variables. Inside the system variables section, click on path, then edit. Click on new and paste the bin folder path here. Then click on OK, OK and again OK. Now open command prompt and type MySQL -- version. It will show that we have installed MySQL version 8.0.40. Now type MySQL -u. Enter the username as root. Then type -p. Then press enter. Then provide your password and press again enter. You will see a welcoming message here. Hence, we have successfully installed MySQL Server and Workbench. If this video was helpful, kindly consider liking this video and supporting this channel by subscribing.